Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well, good morning. Blessed love, guys, blessed love. Yes, guys, so you know the thing goes, it's that morning where I'm going to head into Jersey, you know, but before, I'm going to pop in the bakery, you know, so, look, yeah, so I'm waiting on the Empress, you know, to come and pick me up, because we're going to head to, Jersey, New Jersey, to meet up Kev Lifestyle, you know, so that's where we're heading now. So I just jump out the house. I'm just gonna come get something at the bakery here where we make country while when the Empress is on her way here, you know, because guys, the Empress is coming for that drive, you know. Yes, the Empress always come around whenever. I'm telling you, I like her energy. So we're gonna head down in Jersey right now. So this is the bakery. So I don't know if country is inside. So guys, remember, please put the thumbs up when you're watching Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, never forget to do so, you know, because when you do that, it helps the program grow, you know. So I'm on White Plains Road, you know, but when I say plains, when I say plane, like what plane will take off, this is White Plains Road. So let me go inside. Go on. Hello. Thing good? Yeah, man. Eh? Oh no, not leave it. Continue there. I'm not there. Ain't no vegetable in the same bag. I want the chickpeas separate. Alright. Ain't no cocoa bread? Alright, so put the chickpea one in the cocoa bread then. Single chickpea? Yeah. No, the one with the two in the bag. Alright. Try everything. Tell Conji some pass by. Because I'm heading to Jersey, I know, you know. Jersey, I far, alright. Jersey, I go, you know.
Yeah, give a basket now, pour some back on it. I'm a good man. Country deal with that.
Alright then,
country deal with that.
Alright then, respect, yeah?
Respect, yeah?
This one. Say.
You find it by yourself?
Yeah?
You find it by yourself this time?
Yeah, man. Tell them to go on and something for when they're ready, you know? Yeah?
Yeah, my partner will want me to do.
What should oh, them there?
I think she's gone over and I know her. Secretary not ready. Secretary not ready. Sure. They're ready to find for her. If you look in the name of that girl, I'll send them
You know, so whenever I'm here, I have to come in at the bakery. You know, start the bakery and White Plains Road, you know. You need to come check out the vegetable patty or the chickpeas patty, trust me, but they have nice food as well too. And juices also, so whenever you're in White Place Road, just ask where is the bakery, you know, ask anyone to show you the bakery because people always coming in from left to right. Yeah, so people always coming here. Trust me, they see the chickpea patty, but you need to try that, you need to try that. Oh, this is a chickpea. Nice.
I camera, I tell Terry comes here. Tell him to look at camera.
And tell who?
Terry, next to Terry.
Oh, set to
Terry and a friend. Terry and a friend, you know.
Yeah.
No, me not big up nobody with me and a friend.
I was there with you. Say much with you.
Sorry, yeah.
I was with you. Well, Terry, if you're watching, you know what you're doing, you know. You know what you're doing. I hope you not break him out, Terry. You know that will tear him apart. Don't do it, don't do it. Boy, this chickpea patty does melt off in the moment like there wasn't no patty at all. You need to try the chickpea patty here in the bakery. You know, on White Place Road. It just melt off like nothing about inside.
Thank you.
Alright, then big up in them general. I got run, you know. Every time, yeah? Country big up, you know, like come catch him, but you know the thing go.
Yeah.
Alright then.
Alright.
My general. Alright guys, the Empress says she's here. To come out, turn left. You know, so journey time. The journey time. So it's time to go to New Jersey. So here we are at White Plains, you know, train overhead. And that's the train track overhead there. Oh, say that woman can done. Oh. Here is the Empress. Empress is here. The Empress is here.
What's up?
The Empress is here. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Happy Saturday.
Hey, well, let me say happy day. Oh, happy day. Let's see, ready for the journey?
Ready for the road.
Right, how long is it going to take us to get down there?
Well, GPS showing like 2 hours, but let's see what we can do.
Yeah, well.
The main thing is we're trying to get there safe.
Yeah.
That's number one.
Alright then, so the GPS said 2, so we're not trying to make it into 1.
Right.
You know? Cruise. So guys, we have some snow again this morning. You know, but it was a very light snow. Very light snow. Yeah, so we get patty at the bakery. We get one chickpea patty for you.
Okay.
If you're interested.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Chickpea patty nice. Where it melt off in my mouth like butter.
Wow.
2, 1 green, 1 carrot.
Carrot. Just carrot and what? Just carrot only?
Yeah, this is a carrot punch.
Oh.
Not it?
But what make that now?
What's at the back?
Sugar.
You know sugar go unite. You use the chickpea.
It's a sugar. Trying to connect this CarPlay business here.
Oh, we're trying to connect. Alright guys, so you know we're gonna go on the road now, you know. Jersey, here we come, Kev Lifestyle. So guys, you know the thing, go check out Kev Lifestyle. You know the link will always be there. You know, Kev is our extended family. You know that for sure already, the man they're always there. So big up yourself, Kev Lifestyle. It's been a while, let me see your face. So some of them hear the name, so now we're gonna put that face to the name, you know. So the journey time. God damn. No, sir. That journey, guys. So we're here in the countryside of Jersey. We're here in Deptford. We here in Deptford. Woo! You know, on a word, ice pan ground. Ice pan ground, the banana tree gone.
People.
Kev lifestyle. One general, we here again once more. You know what the thing go?
That is it.
Him says ice cold time. So guys, so this is the face where I would put the name Kev Lifestyle. I don't know what I'm say. Check out his YouTube channel. You're gonna see the link in the description. You know, anything a big chef, big everything. You know, and tell you all you want to know and all you want to see. You know, one Kev Lifestyle where they are far, we out to sea.
So I know say sometimes they could have just get us look Kev Lifestyle and them can't find it through the yard and abroad when they on it. So they have to say Kev Lifestyle, yard and abroad.
Okay.
You see people.
So put on the Kev Lifestyle yard and abroad, you know. So put on the yard, you don't know where they're abroad. You see me? So everything off a large.
So when we are yard, you see we are yard. When we are abroad, you see we are abroad.
And I name Kev. So that's why I'm saying Kev Lifestyle. So a theme lifestyle you now see.
That is it.
The seat a yard and the seat abroad. You see me when you're sitting on the yard and comfortable watching my abroad.
Yes.
Boy, yeah, first in the building.
Lifestyle, you got yourself here, man.
You see here, so no fish no in that one, you have the fish the outside.
Never put them outside.
So you put
them outside.
So you take them out of the water
I
and
put out the fish outside because I'm bringing a cat. You see, it's a cat.
Okay.
You know, you see the core. You have a cover up everything because your interior.
Yeah, get big. So wait there, so him really like on the fish for true? Him really don't want on the fish?
No.
We go shoot.
I'll get to the fish.
No, we're gonna put on the next jacket, man. You sure? So guys, running is the last time when I came. We had the outdoor barbecue, you know. Trust me. I put on my neck jacket right now. Look, ice. It was snowing all the way in Jersey here. Yeah, damn. So you know, so you see everything have a cover up right now. Everything have a cover up on the ice. The fish them out here and the fish them is living good. Then there. So guys, so we are right now in the countryside, you know, Deptford. Trust me, far in the cold. Yes, guys, we know now when it's a key on that jacket then that not gonna work. I need something else. Yeah, I got my next jacket, you know, I did pick it up, so I'm gonna put that on right now, you know, before me freeze like snow. Make sure I put on my next jacket up and I'll freeze. No. Make sure I put on my next jacket. You want to use the bathroom? No, sir. I don't get so cold. Sure, I use the bathroom quick. No, sir, I don't get so cold.
I mean, if we not go far,
no,
we
man.
wait
Come back and use the bathroom, man.
No, sir. I don't get so cold. Yo, Kevin, what were they? Alaska, what they? No, sir. Look with the Alaska 1 Plus. Yo, no, sir. Alaska, what the guys? I'm not lying. No, sir. Alaska, what they? She. This is Alaska.
Alaska beach.
So we are telling me, Kev, where we're going still colder than right here, so?
Yes.
So we are
up on the water.
So we are
Atlantic City.
So Kevin, why you punish you right now?
We don't punish him, man.
Yes, sir.
We have to go. Let's find a side seat. We fully
Side seat in the ice.
fully prepared. I want you to say, man. We're fully prepared, General. Boy, you see everything. You smile here, bro. We got to see everything.
Yeah. Bring the seat back, California.
See what's going on.
No, sir. This is murder.
You know, and then the quality, you know.
I ain't not cold yet.
No.
Yo.
You feel like yet. What do you?
This cold in New York. Don't get so
You
cold.
think? You don't feel yet. Wait until we go down on the flat.
On the flat, so.
Wait until we go down on the flat. And if you have go over Philly now, you know, normal over that side.
So what you do them side of that road, man?
Alright.
Freezing.
You see video we make? Me I tell you say, if me have there right here so, them a situation you see. And if you suffer, I might as well go back go suffer Jamaica in a paradise.
Don't it?
Yeah, say man.
Don't it?
Better go suffer.
If you walk here them way there.
You see it? In a normal brother.
So the first from me you put on a jacket here, me really literally I feel the cold still through that jacket. Yeah, guys.
The cold in New York you feel?
It's colder than New York, man. This cold.
Yeah, no, we have to tell you go down so. You prepare man, you well. You prepare man.
You can't freeze my little vegan meat now.
No man, you're good man. You're good man, you're good man. You're good.
You say me have a scarf, me have a raft, me have a cloth, me have everything right now. And me I tell you say boy, outside not pretty. No pretty at all. Them weather here make people turn worthless.
Yes.
You know, trust me.
Real
them weather here will make people turn worthless, Kevin. No joke, we can't want to go outside, call the boss and tell him say yo, you know for fire, more fire myself.
And you see now when we are come to Jamaica, reach Jamaica, we make we so excited.
Yeah.
Just we left this weather. You know now.
Trust.
The cold now.
But imagine the last time Eve one time they come down here in at Easter time though.
Yeah, but that time
and it's still cold.
Yes. You see.
But it's still cold of them time the same way.
Still out tobacco bonfire and it's still cold.
And still cold. Just imagine. Wow.
You start getting the pressure in July.
Yeah.
August. But in the time then you're big feel look AC. You see.
So guys, we literally far over there right now. We're a week up in Jersey, we're at a country part. You know,
6 minutes from Philadelphia.
6 minutes from Philadelphia, so that's how far it is.
True.
You know, and I lie. And the reason why them place so cool, the house them is so spacious and a pure tree like forest. You know, so them breeze here cut through like nothing, man.
You notice no leaf in the palm tree them though?
Yeah, man. I've noticed you see nobody on the street. Not even one person see I walk from me I drive down here.
Real talk, man.
Not even one person I see I walk from me I drive down here.
A real talk.
Not even one, no joke. You know, if you're at New York, you at least somebody I walk. You know, but you're not even see one person I walk. Not, no, sir. Hey, I put on all my gloves too.
You know who turn up, man? Eat soon, come back, man.
Eat? Yeah, the eat.
You good back there, man?
What?
You good?
The eat so come back in the car. But out of the car.
Just look for my glasses, man. Okay. 9, nothing. You know what it's all, eyelash, anything.
Ice.
Anyone, you better know, shed no tears.
Wait, Canada?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Like now them have the lake freeze over. Them have like professional drivers who carry you out.
With 3 bends in a brother.
Really?
Are you racing, man?
Yeah.
And that's out until about June next year.
Wow, that's cool though.
Yes.
I like that.
Go and test that. And I be ice, you know. We can't wait for this,
Mama.
because the signs and everything they just make like the signs, like you see our road sign, ice they make that out of them.
Right.
Yes, man, everything does.
Guys, it's Kev Mrs. here.
Hello.
Real boss.
You know what?
Very bad.
Yeah, the boss in the business. You know, so right now, we go freezer right now.
Yeah.
Oh goodness.
You know? Yeah. Bring the chicken back come to England, come freeze it more.
Me done.
You know, they could have Ellie tour down there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, go. You still have it?
I don't know.
Editor. The popular freeze up in the sky, man.
The key that I try to go up there.
Now going no editor in this time because you realize that the popular freeze up in the air. You see that spin and stop.
You see that the art is like we are going to win if we get out and go down. So cool, man. What is the experience? That's it.
Yeah. Kev lifestyle yard and abroad.
Sure, man. That is it.
Right now, I know wish him that yard right now.
What you talking about, man?
I wish him that yard and pick up everything and just drop it.
Everything and gone.
The job, everything that's down there.
Everything.
Okay, this is depth, you know. Far in the country.
I'm a cheesecake. I don't know if you tell if you left it. Don't get too hot now, right?
No, sir. This is never on jacket and still not hot.
Okay.
Never on jacket and still not hot, man. So, you know, let it go cool to get inside.
Okay. Buy some gas over here, so.
Longhorn.
Before we turn down the highway. You know what the highway going to bring. So, what the thing you give it, brother? So take this man just to make you relax.
Make you relax.
Relax so it knock me out.
Hey! Four of them. But him just, if we give him with enough time, once he sit down and put on his seat.
Him just drop asleep?
Just drop asleep.
That's a good thing.
6 hours
It
with
is
California.
Wow, what kind of pill that? Cause me I tell you
So we say you have to give him pill for the sleep.
Yeah, man. Knock me out.
Yeah, man, because it kept me like playing, you know?
No, sir. You see all the people, the ear thing there.
The turbulence.
You know, the turbulence there, and they come like nowadays, you know. Every flight you take, you know, you have get turbulence in the back in the days. It wasn't like that. So when you sit down there playing
turbulence and nothing, you know. Me afraid of plane and me realize me do my research for not afraid of turbulence.
Tell them so they may even fix the pothole up there.
Yeah, man, it's terrible, man, no turbulence. But back then still, there was any.
The pill them where you give Kevin, what they mean?
Oh no, don't pill them
A
cause
natural pill them, what they never get them?
Gravel.
Gravel.
Kino?
Yeah.
One of them cause
Kino want me if you take it.
Yeah.
After he'll give me 4.
yeah, when you just drop asleep.
When I hear us, they come and ask me, you want the soda?
Yeah.
Never, no.
So when the plane land, you know, we wake up.
As the plane land, we wake up. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Oh wow.
Let me see it.
Kino, them bad man.
Target sell them.
Yeah,
That's
man,
good.
them bad man. Knock you out. You watch your head, you know, can we knock you.
It's like a promoter and all that.
But you get the big back.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Kevin's a man don't like flight, you know, so.
It's a motion sickness.
Yes,
though.
not
Same about
everything.
everything. Oh, I see one me have, man. Cause everybody bring me one come as well too.
For motion sickness.
Yeah.
I just be calling Kino and knock me
For motion
out.
sickness.
Kino, he come like a Tyson lick me when me look up on the plane. Me don't say nothing, no feed, nothing or nothing.
That time when I go to scuba diving, man, where I them with the tech.
Yeah, the gravel there for relax, you.
Yeah. Cause it's sickly your stomach, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause last time when I go to scuba diving, a pure man and vomit out in the
Oh
car.
my God, yeah.
Cause the way be rough.
Yeah, the water, yeah.
The way rough.
Jano.
So it's kind of good when you have that for seconds.
Yeah.
But you come like you overdose, it send you go sleep.
Because I get 4. And you look one with me if they send me thing. Can you give me 4?
It's the best ride when Kevin is sleeping.
Oh jeez, cause it just you
Why?
want to hold your hand, don't it?
And see, Mr. All if you play and make no big movement, I want it.
Let me know what I know.
No sir.
And then the same one sit at the window, you know. Then it's a fight because Kamari always sit at the window, then he must stretch over me because me have to sit in the middle, you know.
Yeah.
Like, alright, well, we got Florida last year and the seat then they kind of mess up and they get to sit down together. My husband cussed the whole wheel.
What do you mean?
Because we get this lady, we're really nervous in the corner and I'm like, can I sit in on the lady? I say, a fair seat. And I said, I'm not fighting a seat, I play because you get that. Oh, me over here, I have a panic.
Are you want to start taking your studies?
Hey,
I don't be over there.
No,
then you should have just take her shot and liquor, man.
That's why I want to get up. No, that's not work for me. I just you have to give me the bill then.
Mr. Once, Mr. Anything at all, Mr. Them come with him, drink, everything. Me have to take it back from him.
Right.
6 hours, 6 hours.
Well, you know the solution now, them pill there.
4.
That's, you know, if you give me a little water, I'm looking for the feeling in my
6 hours. Straight flight. You couldn't even believe when you
I'll take them.
Yeah, man, it's good, man.
It would be even, you know,
Like on a cruise and stuff. Well, but that's motion.
Yeah, they just you could have taken that for that too as well.
Yeah, for the cruise, like that.
As well.
Really?
because when my sister told me about it, we never really.
Go in Atlantic City.
Yeah.
You know the thing, you say, you see it? No man, them up down, they put on the heater. No, you see. No, true, them say, AC, Atlantic City.
Atlantic City, yeah.
So I say, no, put on the heater.
You can't say now the casino capital.
Yeah.
New Jersey, you know.
So right now we are Las Vegas.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are the fake one, the China knockoff for them.
The one will look better than the original one.
Yeah, right now we are the China knockoff.
Yes.
Las Vegas.
That is it.
So we go check our name Donald Trump to say he's inside. You know, put it onto a bed.
No, I'm going to White House.
White House, I'm going to
in bankrupt, don't you say, no business, don't you say.
The Atlantic City. I wonder if I don't say Aquaman come from.
Atlantic.
The Atlantic Aquaman.
Going into seas, brother.
Well, I say I come here, I couldn't believe somebody could lay them freeze up.
That's it.
Freeze, we could have walked on it. Yeah, I tell you, you literally could have walked on it to get the place kicking.
At certain times, they freeze to the point where they test them and you can walk.
Hey, you can walk, you can tell them, man.
But all of them say they frozen, me now go on it.
Hey, imagine if you have some people are swimming at sea, man.
They say, the crack and go on it, that's everybody on it, you know. Like that.
And some of them gonna go stuck.
That is it. Maybe we have
Atlantic City. When you cool it, not pretty. Just me. Okay.
For
Caesars. Yes, Caesar Palace we're going.
The next one, turn left.
That looks like the one with Las Vegas, so. I'd say one.
I cousin this.
I cousin
this.
Caesar cousin guys.
At
So
the
right
light,
now.
use the left lane to turn.
So see there we got Caesar's cousin. Take it, man. I'm borrowed and get them back.
Outside. So they start from up there, so. And then the casino then.
Is that parking up there?
Okay, and it's so. Look at the store. Pile up. Yeah. One coach in the building. Oh, similar.
We'll link you when we're done. That is it. Oh,
Eskimo. Yes, guys. Hey, you my boy.
Tell us say cold.
But it must cold if you dress like that.
Eh?
Eh?
Don't want me up clear.
I do. You know, exactly, you must cold.
Oh, you're cold. You see when I did that?
You're cold, right? Exactly. So guys, so why dress like that if you're gonna be cold?
No,
You rather dress warm.
I didn't cold like you want.
Yeah. Rather dress warm and know say I'm good. I understand. So guys, so we're there in Atlantic City. You know, what them say the place.
See it now, kid, I'm good to go.
Yeah, for now.
Winterize myself. No,
Yeah.
So it thing go.
Winterize yourself.
Winterize myself. You see? That is it.
Look at
That
this.
is it, brother. I'm good to go.
Yeah. Feel like that.
Lifestyle yard and abroad.
No,
Good to go.
No, you feel like.
Winterize.
No, you feel like you're abroad, right?
That is it. What is me abroad, people?
Yeah.
That is it. So now we're going to walk the strip.
You want to see you test the snow?
Oh yeah, so you have to test it.
Yeah, I like it nice.
See there?
Yeah.
Nice and soft, guys. Nice and soft.
Big boot,
That's right.
shoot,
Papa.
Pampers,
Yeah, Papa.
Applebee's, Empress of Coal.
I want to say, everything now supposed to be good
Empress Coal, man.
now. You're cool, Sylvia?
No?
Oh,
No, the jackets are warm.
done.
See the next trip is Canada, Kino.
Alright, in the summer. Where we going? Oh. Otherwise, I don't know, we'll stay for the day. Oh. Alright, guys, we are at with our Bally's. Why? I don't know what's going on, but walking the street. Is it?
Funny, we didn't look at just going in on this road.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright, guys, so.
See the boardwalk, you know.
So this is the. Oh, so this is the reason why they call it boardwalk, because
Yeah,
of
man.
board.
Yes, man.
Okay, oh.
In summertime, it's crazy.
Alright, guys, so we're in Atlantic City. You know, but hold on. Yeah, so this is the boardwalk. So literally it's pure board. That's what them call it, boardwalk. You know, it's nothing but board. But trust me, the time is cold. And we have Bally's over there. You know, you have along this stretch. Oh, I guess you have a lot of stores, you know, activities, you know, things going on. So this is literally the boardwalk right here. So we're on the board. Yeah.
Alright, let's go. We always make a ride.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always say beach. You say, yeah, man, yeah, man. Yeah.
Kev lifestyle.
Yeah, so man.
Yeah.
Atlantic boardwalk. It's 30 degrees. So you do it. So guys, remember to jump over Cave Lifestyle.
Yeah.
Get some
Yeah,
love.
and abroad, you know.
Cave Lifestyle, yard and abroad.
Yeah, man, check it out, guys. We're going to make it work, you know. We're helping each other to grow, you know. And we're literally walking on board. Because I was thinking it was some, you know, celebrity walk, we go walk, you know. I never know it was literally board walking on right now. So that's why they call it the board walk. You know? As you can see, it's all board and snow right now. The place is literally cold. Down here is much cooler. You know, down here is much cooler than right now New York. I kick up. We have vibes with Empress Niche. Empress. Love you, Empress. Alright, so guys, vibes with Empress Niche.
Yes,
you know,
yeah.
she said she's up and running, guys.
Up and
so
running.
You see, she's taught her vlogging.
Yes.
She's got her phone out.
I'm trying a thing, okay,
She's
guys?
not trying, she's doing.
Trying
Guys, so we have to put up like with that, like we are Eskimo. That's what the place cool
Yes.
down here. You know, so this is it. Vibes with Empress
Niche.
Niche. You know?
Yeah, man, wanna follow me and a lot more interesting content coming up.
Yeah.
This is my first one, so
Alright.
yeah.
So see there,
I'll try my best.
she's start now, you know.
Yeah.
She's start now, so.
Watch out, me have my nails all in the video. I'm kind of something that they can't tell some me.
Well, you have to see what go on.
You know.
You have to keep your eye open.
Right.
You know, eyes have to open, you know, because you know, when you go take it on, you have to take it on, you have to be confident.
No chat about me.
You know,
See the new.
see the party for me. Well, you know the thing, this is a boy Kino Life in Jamaica. No, we're not in Jamaica. Right now in New Jersey, 7 minutes away from Philly. We're on the board and we're walking. So them call it board walk. You know, so guys, you know, represent vibes with Empress Niche. Once you see me, you know it's official. You know the thing go So subscribe and we here. Trust me, encourage her. Tell her what you want her to do. You know, I'm telling you, yo, press the like, subscribe, tell her friend, tell her friend. What the natural sister locks. You know? Let's help her. She's new to the game. Push her out in there. You understand? Empress, you ready for the road? She's ready for the road. She said she's ready for the road. No teacher. A teacher. High school days.
Yeah, no, the teacher.
Yeah, and the preacher.
Yeah, my preacher.
Yeah, the preacher. So I'm preaching to her to do YouTube.
Yes. Oh, man, a freezer. Freezing off. Yeah.
So remember to put it on yourself also and speak.
Can't click it. That's the thing.
I know, but you don't stop
Okay.
and then turn it on you
Why?
and turn and then you talk and then you see me, so you have to put them together.
Yeah, we're not preacher, right?
Yeah, so we are preach and a teach at the same time. Them say preach, teach, Empress teach. Vibes with Empress teach. Walking on the board and it's cool, you see.
Yeah, Alaska right now.
So we bridge the temperature now, Kev. Hey.
You feel better than what?
Well, do we are punish ourselves? Why, Kev, what are they for choose to record?
Yeah, man, me I tell you, trust me, people.
We are real tourists, you know.
We don't normal.
Hey, I'm not even lying.
Let them call ya.
Hey.
We out here to call her with the on patrol. They don't know anything set up.
This is the first time from there in New York now. Well, we're not in New York. We're outside of New York, right? It's so cool down here, so it's different. So we're at the casino. In the casino. Casino, casino.
Boardwalk activated.
Ready. Win, win. Oh, and a win. Sorry, a while. I think I win this a while. I press this.
Yeah.
And I think I win, but I don't win a while. So I thought I win, but I never win a while. I wasn't looking good.
Oh, yeah, go win. You put coins in there.
No, but true, I touch it and say, yo, my credit $400.
I see you try to win in this machine and
I didn't put that dollar in.
No,
cent
because
in
you know,
there.
the machine's a credit. So I press $400 credit.
Okay.
Yes, and then I say, while. I thought it said win.
Okay.
You know,
okay.
so I was trying to celebrate and realized, oh, it's
You
win.
thought it's a win for real?
No, obviously. You know, I think goes already. This is Kino. It's wild. This is Kino. Anyway, we goes already.
No, it's not joking.
Yeah. Win.
Oh, she gone. I was over here.
This up here. So guys, so I almost win, but them say a while. I almost win, but them say a while, and I win movies. You know, so but we're trying to look something to eat. We're trying to find a spot where we can eat something. So how shall we end up now? Bali's we win Bali's in the casino upstairs, but
Trying to find a restaurant, still didn't get anything.
yeah, it's not come on to come in the casino. We just want to run from the cola a bit, you know, and find food. You know,
Looking for food.
Looking for food, because trust me, the boardwalk, walking on the board, it's not easy neither. You know, because when we hear them say boardwalk, I think I come to some superstar. I never know it's literally board we're going to be walking on, you know. There's proper pure board. There's a board walk with Atlantic City, which is the AC. You know, it goes there already. So we wanted to turn down the temperature a bit, you know. Turn it down. Alright, so guys, let me show you. You see, to have credit. So I'm just credit something $400, and then when I look, I say, while. So nothing never happened. Nothing never. Oh, she gonna check out the restaurant? No, can.
Yes, you got a bottle. So.
Oh, which one today?
What if somebody see it? Oh, what?
See that place?
Yeah, food.
This look like food.
Food.
This look like it, man. It's a
It
seafood.
look like this right there, sir.
Yeah, man.
Food.
Can't find
It's a
something here,
seafood.
man. Yeah.
Yes.
This is
See
the
them have
place.
wraps.
Let's go in.
Yeah, man. See them have sandwich.
Where do it?
Right there, so. Alright, guys. So basically, we was in the casino. It's literally it's Caesars. It's not Bali. It's Caesars. So we made a mistake. It was Caesar because we wasn't looking. You know, through the place cold was literally running out the cold and us running to a building. You know, but it was Caesars running to. So now we're gonna get something to eat. We at Rainforest Cafe right here. Empress Niche, YouTuber vibes with Empress Niche, guys.
Man, hold on there.
What go on?
It's a board, yes, sir.
That's why I call the boardwalk.
Oh.
What you think? It go firm? Eh? Empress is not gonna firm. So Empress, come here. Tell them what they can look for on your channel. What they can expect. I don't want you to too shy, you know.
Really, you know.
Guys, you see? I sprayed the WD-40 on her already, you know. But it seems like it weird out. Tell them what to expect from your channel. Come here.
A little bit of everything,
Come
guys.
on. Stop being shy. Guys, tell her stop being shy. Tell them what to expect from Vibes with Empress Niche.
A little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything.
Yeah.
A little bit of
Just
everything.
follow me around, and whatever you guys want to see, you can just comment and let me know. You know, it's my first time, so you know, wanna bear with me and
Yeah.
with the WD-40 situation.
Oh.
You know, never need to drink like a gallon more.
And if you don't want to know about her locks, you can ask her about it.
Yeah,
sister locks.
I mean,
You know, ask her what she eats. You know, because she's a healthy eater as well. Also, you know, her work. She work out a lot. She do a lot of gym work. You know,
Right.
no vibes with
but me
Empress
work
Niche.
hard and me play hard too. So don't, you know, you can follow me around too when I go enjoy myself, because I love to dance.
Oh,
you know,
so that means that you're gonna
Love
dance for them.
I'm the life of the party. When I go somewhere, like me, I always start the party while everybody stand up bored. Like I'll be
So
the
she's-
only one dancing. So I love music. I love to dance. You know,
So she's gonna dance, dance. Ooh, she gonna dance, Just guys, man. Let's help her, you know, encourage her, please, you know.
Encourage
And
me.
just go in the comment section and you can tell her what to do, what you will like her to do, you know, or she can spice it up so she can grow together with you guys. So
Right.
we all grow together. You understand? Because remember, you know, she's gonna be doing traveling. You know, I'm gonna say she's in my camp, she's my student. You understand? I'm not the teacher, I'm the preacher. Lord God said she should do YouTube and don't ever, you know, what she wants, get her the confidence she need. You know, we're gonna make some nice confident juice for her with the WD-40 so she can do the thing. You know the thing?
you have something right here, sir.
Where?
Like how are this? Lint.
Fur?
Eat it. Fur.
Fur. Wait name lint. Wait name lint.
Yeah, lint. Then call it.
Lint them call it a fur. A fur. You see she have me a little fur. She find it. You know, come. So we're gonna go in here to go get some food. So guys, we're in the Atlantic City. We're walking on the board. That's what they call it, boardwalk.
Whoa.
March, we are march, yo. March, we are march, yo. So keep lifestyle. No, run here. I want to go on in here. A celebration. I want to go on. Yeah, no, true. Oh, in here look so. No, damn. Wow. Look at this restaurant. Hello, how you doing? I like it. I like your eyelash. Look, she's blushing. Oh gosh, she's blushing, guys. She's blushing. Why?
This is the Rainforest Cafe.
She's blushing. In here is unusual. It's so unusual. Wow. A man she love, she not love.
Yeah.
No man. In your unusual still. In your unusual.
No food no here.
No, I'm saying the place is unusual the way it is. That's them call it the Rainforest Cafe. Right, so this is the Rainforest Cafe. It definitely looks like a rainforest. Look at the tree, everything. With the monkeys swinging along. Hello. Snake. My friend King Kong.
Live in here, live in here.
We're live. We're live. So that means if we're live, we're not dead.
Dead.
You see me? So guys, we're live. We're kicking. Right now we're going to 18. We're going to sit in. You know, we're here in the AC City, Atlantic City. You know, the knockoff to Vegas. You know. We're in the knockoff Vegas. Okay, let's go. Wow, Rainforest. Woo. Unique, wow. It's a unique one.
Buy to what?
Where I what?
Buy to
I buy to
eat
I buy to eat.
outside.
But my will buy to tongue. Let me say we have no buy to eat. Are the person coming here? Unusual.
Check here, the outside.
Wow. Look over here, so look on the water here. Look at this. Yeah, boy. Wow, that is so unique. King Kong. Yeah. Oh, this is so unique.
Check the tree.
Yeah, I'm seeing.
Let's see what's in it.
Yeah. I really like.
Yes, brother.
Yeah. Yeah. The roofing. Mind the music will play, you know. This is nice. Right, so let me give you a real tour of what's going on. Look at the elephant over here. Look at the elephant. He's gonna move his chunk. There. He's gonna move, watch.
You think so?
Yeah, yeah. Look, see my eye move. See my eye just move a while ago. I go see him move. Come on, I'm speaking to you. It's gone now. Just watch. Sure. Look, you see? Moving the chunk. Wow. Look, see him ears are move. This is unique. Guys, so I can take off some of this right now. Guys, so we're literally in the Rainforest Cafe, you know, so same place here in Atlantic City, like couple walks down from Caesars. You know, it's called Rainforest Cafe. In here is really unusual. It's like we're literally in the rainforest. You know, we're swinging, you know.
Just for cups, they're $29.99.
Oh, $29.99.
Okay. Yeah, I take it. Yeah.
Is everyone else ready? Are you still going to do the same, guys?
Yeah. Thank you.
We have the shrimp tacos.
Right, inside here you can literally hear the animal them a roar and run up and down in the tree and great things are going on.
Wow.
Monkey are good. Grimy right now. I know worry about low lighting.
And he just pick up everything.
Yeah.
I'll get you guys extra
Wow.
Did you order fries?
No, but more stuff.
Oh, okay.
Dinner served, so guys, so here
Dinner is served.
dinner is served.
Wow.
Animal them are ear up in here. Wow. Him stop now.
Yeah, because the activity over. They look at that place for downstairs.
Yeah.
About 7 more miles, brother.
Of this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the man them for the summertime, you know, we have the car, brother. We can't run up and down with it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Life in Atlantic City, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Life in
Life in Jamaica.
the AC city.
That is it.
Look, everyone's padding up. As you can see, nobody now play with this coal. Look over there.
They can't play. They have a choice.
They're not playing. Everyone is padding up. So if everybody are pad up, why not me? Guys, tonight I'm the Eskimo, you know. So we just finished had something to eat. You know, we're literally Atlantic City, which is like 45 minutes from where we from Deptford, you know, where we are. So just imagine it's literally up more. So that means it's going to be much cooler, you know, than where we was, you know, because trust me, Deptford is so cool. And we come further away from Deptford, which is 45 minutes away. It's closer to the water as well too. So this place is freezing. The temperature is freezing, you know, it's no joke about that though, you know, so you can't deny me if I come out well prepared, you know. I'm good, you know, but I have to dress like this, look like this to feel warm. Otherwise, I would have been squeezing up, cool up like Kev, you know, and can. They acting like they're not cold, you know. But I can know deep down, Con is feeling it. Look, she's shaking. It's frozen, you see? And Kevin act like saying, no, I go on here.
No, guys, that's not the case.
Look, Kevin not chop up jeans.
Nothing but wool. Wool all the way around.
And look, you can see snow on the ground.
Still born chilling.
And why? Look over here. Snow for days, guys. Snow for days. Pure snow. Like white malls.
Just gotta pick up the ocean.
Where's the ocean?
Right over here.
Alright, so we're gonna look at the night ocean. Ocean, look at. We're walking in pure snow. Night. So we're gonna look at the ocean. So right now we're gonna look at the ocean. We're now put on the sun lotion. Wait there, but hear me say no? Kev, listen now man. The whole of this look like we're gonna walk on water.
That is it.
I'm gonna further.
No, sir. You're so right. You see the white stuff?
Yeah.
The ocean.
Okay.
You see the water flash, you see the lights on there. So
yeah, me see the kind of bluish, but out here so.
Yeah,
it's so white. Yeah, me I think that the water is, but
no,
you know what?
Wherever the snow stops,
yeah,
that's where the ocean begins.
Aye.
Yeah man, but it's going chilling here guys, so catch you later. Out here. That is it.
Yeah, I'm gonna. That's why I'm glad me put up the right way, but not lie.
Whenever tell something you go wicked.
Yeah, so we make sure I come dressed for the wicked count. You know, I make sure I dress for it.
Cool and fun though guys, cool and fun. We have been a bar.
Just imagine everyone's watching now on the TV and the smartphone inside their house when it's warm.
Yes, sir.
And we outside in the frozen.
That is it.
Not freezing.
We're frozen already.
Frozen. Well, uno froze, me good. Right now, I'm dressing like the Eskimo. Right now, I'm good like looking like the Eskimo. Right now,
yeah.
You know, so
everything is
nothing now touch me.
The other thing I'm missing is my glove.
Yeah, even gloves. Look, got my gloves. Have everything. I mean, more than one layers. You know, both top and down by the end part, layers. You know, because I used to the winter, so the reason why I love the winter because I can dress for the winter.
And it's nice.
Right? So when you dress for the winter, you don't feel it. More than you know, so you're outside and it feels kind of cool.
Yeah.
You know, and make you feel like we're big. I say, look how big me is right now. Just for the occasion.
Look at them like two.
Look, the two of them cold.
Two cold.
Hands in their pocket.
And the boardwalk.
Yeah. It's not the boardwalk, it's the cold walk.
That is it.
They're making the cold walk and the boardwalk. You know? No, sir. Right, guys, I'm gonna say we have to really thank the Empress, you know, for taking the time out to bring me all the way down here in Deptford, you know what I'm gonna say. She's gonna have her YouTube channel, guys, so we can go over there and subscribe her, you know. Let's give her the support because she's supporting me and my journey. You understand? Yeah. I like the support, so whereas when they put her good, we give them back good, you know, because she done well. You know, trust me. So we have to give her the support. And you know the thing already, check out Kev Lifestyle Yard and abroad. You know, feel free.
That is it. This is where it's at. You see me, I say, never see chicken without fat, you know, this is where it's at.
Yeah, the one is not fish, is not sprat. It's just a chicken with no fat. Look at snow on this, man. Snow fight.
Yeah. Hey! How are you dealing? How are you dealing?
Yes, at the big ball. At the big ball. What's a big ball? Yo. At the can and this, you know, Kev. How are you doing, Kev? At the big can and you know, Kev. That's it. That's it. Yo, at the big bomb. Yeah. Don't play, you know. Rocket them. Yo, man, now we cross the border, you know, the thing going on. We are yardy, you know. You see me? You done? Oh, hey, don't play. We're out here.
Right in Atlantic City.
Yeah, I tell you, it's a snow fear. No, sir. Yeah, we're flinging stone. Eh?
Still a wall ice.
If you like, it's still a wall of ice. Yeah, man, I have to come prepare, guys. Gloves out, everything out. I'm well warm out. I can spread my bed and sleep out here and have no fear.
Bring back some of my snow
Eh?
to Jamaica.
Yeah, I put in.
You need more thermos or something.
I need a lot of stuff to keep that warm, keep it cool. Mean.
Somebody brought snow to Jamaica.
Yeah, could I bring back some snow to Jamaica? Let's get some nice cooler, more than one cooler. You know.
Go sell snow viewing.
Yeah. I said, guys, look, I brought back some snow. You see me, Kev? They buy some different layer cooler and pack some snow in an igloo and carry go to Jamaica.
They boy will send him right back with it.
And I sell it quick and fast before it melts. Like, see snow. As them get it melts.
Snow view.
Snow. Yeah?
That was two jumper like snow view.
Yeah. Snow. You're buying snow.
If you want to touch the snow, come on, touch the snow.
Quick. Just one peak.
Well, 1,000 for your people.
Yeah, 1,000 peak. And as you look, it melts. You know, so you can't have it open.
Can't look too long.
No.
If you make it melt, you have to pay extra.
Of course. Oh? Okay. Okay. Yeah.
We just a walk, we know where I go. So I don't know where I go, we just a follow.
This way, right? Yeah.
Whichever one, if I want to go higher.
We know I can't wait for reach the car.
Me, I tell you.
I don't mind take my time walk.
Okay, extra one.
Call me extra walk. I can take the view.
Don't watch the step in the car.
Yo, I'm glad right now I can laugh at them, you know, because before they must say, oh, can you go with a big jacket there and all that and gloves, you know?
With a big jacket they like you there in Alaska.
Alaska 1+, me and David.
I show them out the polo soldier I want my boy to cold. See me, I lead them.
You see it? How cold it is when we hold them through the cold.
See what you
These are the World War back in the days, you know? Through the snow. You see? They're carrying the injured. You know, not leave no one behind. Through the snow, not leaving no one at all behind. No one. Atlantic City. Over there you have the Ocean Resort, you have Hard Rock, you have Resort, you know. Nice place, you know. So this is the knockoff. It's the knockoff Vegas. You know, you have Bali's there. So this is the knockoff Vegas. It's not Vegas, but it's some form of Vegas. And look, we have all snow along the ground. There's a lot more snowfall up here than down in New York. You know, a lot more. Look. This is like a couple of inches of snow. You know, look at that. Cover the seats right here. Cover the trees. You know. There's more inches of snow right now we're looking at right here. Yes, I don't know. I'm looking like I'm from the west. You know? But them say the east is the best. Dressing like I'm related to the Eskimo. You know, when the time is cold, this ain't no joke. Dressing like I'm from the Eskimo. You know, when the time is cold, it ain't no joke. Hey, we don't go smoke. No, we don't want to choke. Right now, we there on the road and no clout. Alright, guys, so you know, we're gonna head back in. You know, it was a wonderful experience here in Atlantic City. You know, with Kev Lifestyle Yard and Abroad, you know, and his wife, you know, Khan. You know, I just want to thank them so much, you know, for his experience here in Jersey. You know, I have to see them because, trust me, they're close to me like family, same way, you know. As I says, a huge thank you to the Empress, you know, trust me, she's natural, you know, she's a good friend, guys, I'm telling you, like, friends like, say, I don't know, I always say, yo, I must be lucky while I keep on going and meeting good people, you know. I know you guys must be saying, yes, she's a female, I must be saying, okay, something will go on, you know, but guys, I'm just blessed with having females around me, you know, everywhere I go, I always have females, same way, you know, like showing me around, so that's a plus, you know, it's a plus. Whenever she come to Jamaica, I have to return the same favor without an excuse, you know, because she never have to, you know, she never have to, she never have to. So, guys, thank you so much for watching Kina Live. Huh? You say eyeball them so cool they can't even see.
It feels like 50.
Yes, man.
How much?
50, like 50.
So how much is that now?
15?
50. How much is it now? 15? No.
Right now it's 32, but it feels like 15.
With the wind.
With the wind.
Wow.
But to me it feel like 65.
Really? You know?
Because through what I'm wearing. Tell us enough to dress to know to stay alive. You know what I mean, Kev? To me it feel like 65, you know, because to the way I'm dressing. You guys dress so they gonna feel like negative, you know? It's gonna minus.
They are just impressed, we are just keep warm.
Yeah. Them dress to impress, so they're in the AC city, Atlantic City. But me dress like I'm coming from those Alaska, you know?
Well, Applebee's there. Applebee's we have to look for there, but we come up with the opposite side.
Alright, so we have to go down inside of.
I don't know where we go, right?
I don't know.
Yeah. Huh?
So I don't say steakhouse down, so.
Jesus. Alright, guys, so here we're lost in the city. You see, man, see. Guys, we're lost in Atlantic City. You know, Applebee's. So we're trying to find a car.
One problem.
So listen, if we can't find Applebee's, we'll find banana bees then. Peach bees.
Alright, we are going right.
We're going right to it, right?
Yeah.
By right, Applebee's.
So guys, we're trying to find Applebee's, but it can't find. So
On foot?
Cause if not, we could have find banana bees, you know.
Okay. Apple or banana?
Apple or banana.
Or plum?
Or plum. We not walk too fast, we can't take the time, man.
I don't try to get out of the cold.
They trying to run.
Like great.
Yo, they walk fast, it's like mile a minute. Yes, we want to slow down so them feel it more.
What should you step through this?
Oh no. All the car park are white out. Oh, the football field? A white out, man, come out of the street before the man. Yeah, good thing we cover it so close and drive.
Yeah,
Look.
So the man has drive down again.
Worse them just lose all the money from the casino.
I look for a roof, you go jump off.
Yeah. I'm gonna see all me at the middle of the road right now. Just
I'm
walking on the sidewalk and see all I see right now.
And cool to say about it.
Yeah.
Since a bit, right?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, this is the coolest I ever felt. No, but I not really feel it because I'm saying more well
the temperature.
But the temperature.
By your face.
Yeah, and my face.
Your face.
And my face feel like it's frozen, you know?
I tell you about it. And my nose, we can't smell.
It feels like it.
The smell since frozen.
You okay? Oh, finger.
Sit here. What do we say now? 5 minutes?
5 minutes. That will pass
So
up
I
a bit.
don't know.
We gone to different. We have 12 minutes after me I go froze.
You said 12 minutes? Is that way?
Because when they're behind valley, so we come too far up from valley.
Yeah, because I don't remember coming this way.
You remember coming this way there? I want a place that's a love touch. You need to know love touch.
Yeah, no. We never come this way. We're that pushing, we're over that way.
Over so we there.
Yeah. Guys, we're lost in the city.
Why? How did you dress up?
Yeah.
If they warm like me, I see this would be like nothing to them.
Alright, see
Yeah.
that?
Oh, yeah.
Guys, we're literally lost in the city. We don't remember where we park.
The tough food. The tough food, you know, really can't carry it.
So
$3
now,
already, you know?
yeah, so now we're going back the next direction. We're going back to the Woo! And the thing is, you know what? Let me stop laughing off the ladies. Ladies, you want me to hold the phone like I got gloves on? Oh, good.
You know, alright?
Wow, Kev, we can't keep up with them, you know?
No, sir.
Look how they're so far ahead of us. Look,
I get out of here.
I'm tired. You tired too? You know why? Guys, the reason why it's like the reason why I'm laughing so much because those two just telling about cussing about my dress pad up and everything and I don't know what's gonna happen. Can't treat me. I'm used to this. And no, only if they can run them run. You know?
On the toes alright.
Even toes.
Nothing, sir.
No toes, no.
Oh God. Feel the phone.
Woo! A good thing and none of them are drive.
No, I'm safe, a cold one. Feel the phone.
Oh God, Kev.
Yeah, I tell you.
No. Ah, Kev, you are know you're cool, you know.
No, man, me alright, man. I'm saying I'm old, you know.
You're good.
I be a old man, man.
Alright.
Jacket old, sweater old.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. How about face though?
Yeah, frozen.
What I say, man? I didn't go for brown skin.
Yeah, the region. You're black, but you become brown.
What I say, man? So I let you know now about it, I don't care about it, you know.
Watch the road.
I'm going to do roadie.
Yeah. We have to, guys, we know that long. And the first we ever lost over here in the US.
Don't it?
We're literally looking for the vehicle.
Coal scramble the brain.
So yes, you know, up in them brain kind of them brain freeze because of the coal. The phone also freeze, so we're following the wrong direction. Look, just look how far they look how where your head they are. They're walking so fast. You know? Like, we cannot keep up.
They want to move like rock.
Yeah, we can't keep up.
Like
Green. This way, this way. I don't think so.
Right, yeah. You put that down here so we can go.
Yeah.
No, sir.
We go this way behind you?
No, when we not come this way, this is where we go. Alright, do it.
Do it quick.
Go do it.
Alright, if you know what, we can walk back around the block and come back around. You don't mind?
Listen, you get proper warning.
Yeah.
Fella.
Yeah.
Car.
We call the lap of honor.
Hey,
Can I warm up her and can we need a lap of honor?
Hey,
Yeah.
fall back. You told him, John, I just not
You tore freeze off?
Yeah, man, you don't
Oh,
I never know say go be this foot. I wear one warmer shoes.
Guys,
Sorry,
please.
I know he's a sick
Yeah, we feel sorry for the Empress. She can't feel her toes. You know, Empress. And look at Khan. Khan is leading the race, and she got 100 furlong to go. Kevin, Empress, and Keno in second, third, and fourth place, while Khan is leading by a mile furlong, and we trying to gain, but we cannot catch Kong the way she's breezing through this cold freezer.
You know that wicked now. We go all the way to the side and still right.
Right in the car, right?
Listen, me I go stand up one place.
Call
You have to
over.
go combine because me not walk around.
Oh my God.
Can last now.
Hey, and I eat.
Can a hospital listen now.
Go in the emergency room.
Emergency come, we're going to check his emergency. Never come this way neither. How comes we here? Huh?
Because he said we're going to check it himself by emergency room.
You're going to check in yourself in emergency?
Too cold.
Too cold.
Where I go?
Okay. We're going to warm up?
See that emergency room coming down.
Look, guys, she's going to check in now, sir. Tonight is something else. She's going to check in the emergency room. Apple.
What do you have, mate?
Oh, she's going to do
Oh, man.
She's going to do ice, guys.
Bro, we just visited.
Hey.
She told us she's going to check herself.
She's so frozen. Hey, Bress, you can cool on a bit now.
Come over here. Yeah, warm over here.
You can cool on a bit.
I eat this.
Yeah, man, we eat over here.
Imagine.
Guys have to be in the emergency room. Cool. On your face. I'm grudging now, Jamaica, you know?
Yeah, cheers.
Bad.
I feel that.
Bad, man.
Why? You grudge them, and if you always, thank our viewers extend from that live here abroad in the cold, working in this weather. Trust me. Listen, my hats off, my hands up, everything to you. You deserve the award. I tell you. But you have to dress up like me. Yes. Warmer than the sea.
You have a big up Empress, Empress I got you in, you see?
Yeah, Empress I got you. We thank her so much, man, because she's a big plus in right now, while I'm here in America. And look, if it wasn't for Empress, what are they here? So Kevin have to drive, come up.
That is it, for real.
You have to drive, come up, then drive down, and then drive back again.
That is it.
That would be too much.
That's true.
Empress, big up yourself, man.
True, man.
Big up yourself. I'm impressed. So guys, you don't have to go and subscribe. So
So that's to show you Applebee's there. Quite to Applebee's. Then come, you can bring Applebee's back home.
alright then, cool. Listen. So why should go Applebee's and Applebee's close?
Then up close it. Oh, we're at the sofa.
Okay.
Thanks, fellas. I appreciate it.
Alright, man. Let's go again. We on the go. We on the go. Right now, cold can't stop the flow.
Someday, you know the man that made a deal to play with that, you know?
Yeah. Go through there. We on the go. We on the go.
Scramble.
Right now, the cold can't stop the flow. When there.
Yeah, because they here to protect and to serve. And that's another should have given you a right.
Where's the protect from?
Yeah, man, from the cold weather. But I them in an emergency room, you know?
The car empty, no one inside.
2 cars.
Oh, so the breeze, yeah, the breeze is, you know.
Obviously, that this will burn you.
Yeah, the breeze
Breeze will
is.
burn you, man.
You know what? A while ago, I laugh and skid my teeth. And the ice, they right upon it a while ago.
Yeah.
Listen, I laugh a while ago and skid my teeth and I can feel the breeze.
Guys, let see. Michael Blight has been attacked on the channel there that how tough America is. See, this is what we have to go through to make a living.
Of course.
You see, rain or shine.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And so,
Well, if
the
the rain
thing
and
tough.
shine, it's still cold.
It's still cold, but you know,
We're still lost. We're still lost. What
What's the
going?
last? Oh God.
Oh.
That almost dropped.
Let's see how long more they can take it, guys. So long we've been walking out here. What's that? But we are smart, me have on 2 socks. Oh gosh. I got on 2 socks.
Jesus, so the way it's back here, man. 2 pairs of socks.
Yes, sir. Can't get caught in this weather.
I'm going to get the first one from the top.
Hey. Sure. Oh, sorry. You have to know to survive, and that's me, you know to
Right.
survive, man.
It's about to come like an oven night because I feel some I eat all time. Yeah, man.
So right now we're using the GPS to try to find Applebee's. Cause we're in Applebee's car park. Yes, but we hardly can see anyone on the street more than vehicle.
Oh, yeah, yes, you know, we see Nautica store there.
Oh,
Now
Nautica over there. Yeah.
We're good to go now. Across, that's alright? Yeah, man, see Nautica, you know.
Alright.
That is it.
Alright, so we're close by now. We're close.
This is a story after the ask the girls and them send it down this up.
Yeah.
Down this up, alright.
Alright. The hour like this,
Right track.
can't trust them light here, you know. Which is which? Our time now?
No, we have to wait on that to turn white.
Wait on the walking man. Are we? Yeah, man, see that we greens to go.
What? Sounds like you work good.
You know, guys, the greens to go.
Thought it's supposed to count down. The one in New York count down with numbers.
Yeah.
You're the one that the one of California countdown.
Yeah.
Walking in the ice, crushing right, crushing nice. Oh my. So yo, with them a program.
Oh man, they bring it back up again. Sorry, come on.
Me cold, I'm in a jacket. Cold, boy.
Yeah, so you're cool here in jacket,
I'm
yeah?
in head cold.
I have one.
I think we're not really pad up.
If you happy people, bad up.
Thank God I'm so pad up, boy.
This I make a cool store. And they sell it again.
Oh, it was warm.
Boy, you like a bang gone. Even me want the back key now. I'm gonna get it tonight.
No, sir.
So wait for it.
We got lost in Atlantic City.
Explore too much on the Dora.
Dora.
Yes.
Walking down the street. Blame you.
Okay.
I don't blame you.
Yeah, so we got the situation.
Yes. We kind of walk fast, boy. Nobody could beat. No one could win against you in marathon. Eh? You told numb, right? Damn.
Oh no.
Empress.
Oh no.
Osh. Osh. Come. Come, the lights out, the lights are talk. No, I mean walk. Yeah, for real, we've been walking for long. We literally been walking for about, probably about half an hour.
I'm glad we walk because we walk off them food there. Yeah.
Yeah, we literally been walking for like half an hour.
At least 15 minutes after you eat. So.
I can say it's a great experience.
Can't watch out.
Hey, look,
Come around and still at eat.
hey, can I move, you know? Can I move, you know? I can always lead the race.
Where you actually come from? I saw New York people walk past, you know.
Can we from New York, can?
Can't keep up with him.
Can't keep up.
Keep up with him.
Can't keep up with can.
Come on, man.
A sprinter, you know. Remember, say she have a sprinter, so.
Oh, I must have that's where him get it from.
her.
I carry me, I have to try to keep up with him.
She's a sprinter, man.
Yeah.
You just the car to keep up with can. Can don't take show off, man. Come see you try slow. You don't have to slow down, you can't continue. You know? You don't have to feel sorry for us.
Yes, I tried Applebee.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, here's Applebee, yes. Finally. Yeah.
Wow.
We were really walking though. Walk far. Applebee's is here.
Go and chop my name for Peter Jacket, the white drum.
Yeah.
Now we are right over for a liquor store.
Applebee's finally. Oh, can you go use the bathroom inside?
Yeah, we walk with the car.
Yeah, go and walk the car. Go and walk. Yeah. Alright guys, so right now we're in the car, you know, finally we find the car, you know, at least the car nobody lost or we lost, you know, so, and what happened can get brain freeze, you know.
Yeah, scramble.
Yeah, everyone get brain freeze, you know, cool. You know, so even the phone that malfunction one at a time, you don't even know which direction to go. So as you can see, it's Kev Lifestyle on the driving seat. You know, I could allow Khan to drive because right now the cold get to her brain. Yeah, she want to reach up too quick.
Yes.
You know, Empress can feel her to a bit.
Yes.
Feel her to a bit there. So we live in the AC city, you know, and we are go back in the heat warmer. Yes, we're heading to so. See that we don't go doing 10 miles per hour, guys. We're not driving fast.
No, sir, we're not.
Because Kev have cold feet.
It is.
You can't feel it.
Yeah, we have to, so we have to be a pressure.
Yeah, can't feel his toe. So he's driving 10 miles per hour. So, yes.
Out of here. We have to get yourself loose up, you know. And lose up yourself, you know.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks. You know, I'm saying it was a wonderful experience today. You know, as I said, the food, it wasn't all that, but the scenery, yes. The environment was good, you know. Rainforest Cafe was really literally inside a rainforest, you know. You know, but the food only if it could at least 9.9% more better. Trust me, if I get 10 out of 10, you know. So what can't complain when food are going in your belly, because them say they gonna hurt your belly even more, you know. So we pray over it and we give thanks. So we're heading in. So stay tuned, guys. Remember Kev Lifestyle, yard and abroad. You know, Empress Mish. You know, show them Empress Mish more than Empress Niche. You know, vibes with Empress Mish or vibes with Empress Niche. You tell me what you think, right? What you say?
A niche, man.
Then she's a niche. She's not a niche.
Eat a circle here now, guys, right?
Yes,
That
yes.
is it.
Well, circle, man. Well. You know, tomorrow I want to buy one next memory card because I kind of lose a memory card. SD card.
You lose it?
Yeah. From the other day, remember? Did the fry.
Buy them, baby.
Okay.
We can get one tomorrow at Best Buy.
Best Buy, yeah. When Best Buy.
Yeah, Best Buy will sell it. SD card. I remember the meet and greet.
Best Buy and Walmart. Walmart will sell it too.
I'm not sure.
Best Buy definitely have it still.
Cause Best Buy they close by you, remember when drive
right
out?
on the car.
Yeah.
Everything nice. See if this
So we
is.
can get the Best
You
Buy.
buy it from Best Buy before? Kilo?
No.
Then they say get the Best Buy.
But Best Buy sell those stuff.
Sure.
I'm telling you.
Best Buy are like
What?
Vehicle.
What? You know? That one I can live here.
I don't have to live here. I'm not behind it. You know?
Just know
I
about
knew
it.
about everything, you know?
Yes,
Best Buy,
yeah,
I could
yeah,
have
know about it.
yeah, those Best Buy, Worst Buy, I know about all the buys,
Best
you know?
Buy like him buy something there before. So him know.
Yeah, man, listen. Once you have an iPhone or a phone, you know, a technology phone, you know where to shop and where to go. And Best Buy is always on TV, in a movie. You see me? You can't go around and watch movie at Best Buy.
Okay.
You know, you can't go around. So remember, it's not the first time I'm coming here. I've been to Best Buy already.
Okay. Yeah, remember me? I didn't go Best
Even me
Buy.
and Kev go Best Buy the last time. Remember, Kev?
Yep.
Yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
that's why you don't say they run the car.
Alright, me and Kev went to Best Buy the last time. I have a picture of them. I'll go Walmart, remember?
Yes.
Candy in the house.
Best Buy, we get a better buy.
Alright. I would have buy get something for the Wi-Fi. Remember?
Yeah, the Wi-Fi in the backyard.
Yeah, for the
Because we
backyard.
couldn't,
Yeah.
Came here in the
and it
summertime?
still didn't run.
No, April.
Oh, it was cool. Same way.
It
Yeah.
ain't cool, but it ain't easy. It ain't better than this.
And the same thing happened today. It was cold. Me have on my jacket and Kev and everybody a laugh off at me and say, yeah, but Kina, you're cool, man. And I imagine it, the people them want some cool have on for them jacket, you know. But too, when it start touch them more, I say, Kev, go for one winter jacket there.
Continue on Atlantic City Expressway West.
So I know the weather, you see me? The weather you can't trick me. Everybody will drive to the sea again, we can go, so stay tuned. That's it, bro.
Okay.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.